Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hello, friends! It's me, Buzzy the Owl. Today, we are going to learn how to count to 10. Are you ready? Let's start counting together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Great job! Let's keep going. 4, 5, 6. 4 birds, 5 birds, 6 birds. You're doing awesome! Wow! Look at those butterflies. 7, 8, 9. 7 butterflies, 8 butterflies, 9 butterflies. You're great at counting. Are you ready for the final number? Let's do it. 10. 10 colors in the rainbow. Wow! We did it! Great job, everyone! You counted all the way to 10 with me. Give yourselves a big clap. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be counting even higher. Thanks for counting with me, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can have more fun together. See you next time for our next adventure.
You're 1, 2, 3, let's count with me. Buzzy's here to help you see. 4, 5, 6, so easy to do. Counting's fun and we'll learn too. Count with Buzzy, 1, 2, 10. Let's do it all over again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more and more. 9 and 10, now we're done. Counting's fun for everyone. Hey, hey. 10 little birds are flying by. Watch them soar across the sky. Counting's easy, counting's fun. Let's all count and get it done. Count with Buzzy, 1, 2, 10. Let's do it all over again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more and more. 9 and 10, now we're done. Counting's fun for everyone. Hey, hey. Buzzy says, great job, friends. We'll count together till the end. Keep counting, don't stop yet. Let's count to 10. You won't forget. Count with Buzzy, 1, 2, 10. Let's do it all over again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more and more. 9 and 10, now we're done. Counting's fun for everyone. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.